Okay, there is the date and time. We're here at City Lake Pointe in Orlando, and look at these statues. These are really cool. There's another one right here. And look at this atrium. This is really nice. It's all open air too. There's a grand staircase. There's something beeping, but what we're here to see is the grand elevator. And, oh, that's the closet. And here it is. Let's ride it. Ooh, never seen this button before. This is City Lake Pointe. This has never been filmed. Here it is. Oh, wow. Here's your cab view. Oh, wow, this is cool. We'll close the door first. And we'll get a cab view of this thing. It's just your basic elevator. I love the floor in this thing. I'm curious to know what brand this is. Here's the fixtures. Notice how it has different door buttons. There's your alarm. There's your 88 phone. Wait a second, the indicator looks familiar. 4,000 pounds. Oh, it's a Mowrey elevator, that's cool. Yeah, Mowrey was a Florida-only company, I think. But this is my first time on Mowrey elevator. This is so cool. Alright, let's go to 3. Let's hear the motor. Here we go. Oh, I guess 3 is locked. Let's go to 2. What a motor. This is the second floor of City Lake Pointe. This is really nice. Look at these buttons. These are so cool. I don't know if it's like innovation or what. I love this thing. We're on a 1. I've never seen those buttons before. We get a picture of the panel. Here we are at 1. This thing deserves a few rides. Definitely. Alright, 3, 2. Alright, listen to this thing. Incredible. 1. Kind of rough start. We'll go for one more ride and then I'll end it at 1. Look at these buttons. These are so cool. I've never seen these buttons. Very satisfying. Alright, ended at 2. We'll end it on 1 actually. Oh, we'll get a corner shot this time. We'll get an indicator shot again. That's cool, I never noticed that. It's like a scrolling LED sign. Scrolling indicator. I ended at 1. The door's not closed all the way, actually. So let's do that. Watch go on at 1. Part 1. That's cool. Happy Easter. And before we end it, I'll set it up so you can hear it go up. Alright, watch it close. There it goes. And listen to this thing. Oh, the machine room's over here. I think it's over there. That's what's beeping is the bioarm enunciator. But anyways, there it goes. And before we end the video, I'll call this thing down and we'll look at the staircase before we leave. I just want to show off this beautiful staircase. There's a view into the parking lot. And here's a look at this amazing staircase. There's a statue up there. I wish the view was open, but anyways, there it goes. And that will be it.